everyone to our online debate. Today, we'll be exploring the fundamental question: is mathematics a discovery or an invention? Our debaters are Kai, who believes it's a discovery, and Thomas, who believes it's an invention.
Hi everyone, I'm excited to discuss this. Mathematics feels so fundamental to the universe, from the orbits of planets to the structure of atoms. It's like a language that governs the very fabric of reality.
It's a powerful tool, Kai, but I think we're giving it too much credit. We created mathematics, defined its rules, and then found ways to apply it to the world around us. It's a system invented to make sense of things, not a system that exists independently.
But mathematics is more than just a tool, Thomas. It's a reflection of fundamental truths about the universe. Think about Pythagorean theorem. It's not something we made up. It's a truth about right triangles that would exist even if humans didn't.
But we defined the theorem, Kai. We created the concept of a right triangle, the idea of hypotenuse, the way to calculate relationship between sides. It's like we invented the concept of a circle. It exists, but we created the way to measure it.
But the Pythagorean theorem is more than just a way to measure. It's a fundamental relationship between numbers that governs the geometry of the universe. It's not something we made up. It's inherent to the way things are structured.
It's fascinating relationship, Kai, but we're the ones who discover it and give it meaning. It's a tool we invented to understand the world around us.
I think mathematics is a testament to the beauty and order of the universe. It's a reminder that there's still so much we don't know, and that mathematics can be a powerful tool to help us understand it.
I still believe we created that language, Kai. It's a tool we use to understand the world, not a reflection of it.
And I still believe mathematics is a reflection of the universe's inherent orders. It's a language we're still learning to speak.
While I respect your perspective as well, Kai, but to me, it's a testament to our ingenuity, our ability to create systems that help us to understand the universe.
I respect your perspective, Thomas. I still believe there's something deeper at play. Mathematics feels too elegant, too perfect, to be entirely our creation. This debate has definitely given me a lot to think about. I'm even more curious now to explore the mysteries of mathematics.
Me too, Kai. There's still so much we don't know, and I'm eager to continue exploring the ways we can use mathematics to unlock those mysteries.
That's a great way to end our debate. The journey of mathematical discovery and invention is a never ending one, filled with exciting possibilities. I want to emphasize that whether we view mathematics as an invention or a discovery, it's remained a profound testament to human creativity and intellect. Remember, Thomas and Kai, never lose sight of the wonder that drives our quest for knowledge. Thank you for all your thoughtful contributions.
Thank you, Miss.